My name is Sonia Carr. I am an auditor and a consultant for Rhema Christian Center and the project manager of the roofing project. We actually had a requirement for the roof, and so the secretary did some research and found BRAX on the internet. And then we contacted you all and you came out. Our experience with BRAX Roofing has been wonderful. They are exceptional. They have been very responsive to what we've asked for, and they have been very responsive in doing the work itself. I would tell someone considering to use BRAX Roofing that they definitely need to use them. They were very receptive to us, and also they finished the project early and kept us informed the whole time they were doing the project.